They're getting ready to graduate, but we need to go ahead and extend that order because my child is going off to college. Hey y'all, it's Lisa Knox again with LM Knox Law and Mediation, serving the great state of Florida here in sunshiny Tampa Bay. If y'all recall, my firm, we practice family law and family law only. And so today we are going to address our ongoing topic of MythBusters. You know those myths, those old wives' tales, those things that you're told to do by somebody who you don't even really know, but it's just because they used to do it back in the 60s and the 70s and the 80s and the 90s, and now you think it's just in the book of family law. Let's get into it. A lot of times it's based on a kernel of truth. So let's see what we're talking about today. Today's topic, is really good. I hear this all the time. Lisa, I know that my child is under a child support order and so forth. They're getting ready to graduate, but we need to go ahead and extend that order because my child is going off to college. And every time I hear that, I tell that parent, congratulations, because that's a big thing to get a child off to school and out into their world to create their own life. What is it, like a different world? Absolutely. I've been there. I know the pride. I know the joy of it. I also know the financial responsibility of it. And so it breaks my heart to have to tell these people the same thing that I'm going to tell you all in the state of Florida. And remember, this is only a Florida thing. This is not for New York. It's not for California. It's only a Florida thing because I'm only a Florida attorney, okay? I can't speak for New York. I can't speak for California. But in the state of Florida, child support, the order of ongoing child support typically ends when that child turns 18 or graduates from high school if they are going to be graduating from high school after they turn 18, but reasonably expected to do so before they turn 19. There's other factors that play with child support as well. As long as the child is not in the military or is not, married, that child support goes until the child is 18. The thought that the child support should go forth, and when I say child support, meaning the original order for child support, the original amount that is for child support, not for any arrearages. Arrearages are a whole other thing. So if one parent owes the other parent back child support, or what we call arrearages, that is a whole other horse of another color, okay? That, can go on indefinitely. I know people who are paying child support arrearages and their children have children, But as far as ongoing child support, main child support, even if that child goes to college, would it be nice for that other parent to continue to pay child support? Absolutely. Put it towards the tuition and the room and board if necessary. Would it be, the responsible thing to do to contribute to your child financially? Absolutely. Is it required and forced by the state of Florida? Absolutely not. So parents, if your child has graduated from high school and is moving forward with college, I salute you. Congratulations. But in the state of Florida, that child will be doing so, and it will not be under a child support order for the other parent to contribute, financially to the child's welfare, to the child's upkeep, or to the child's cost for college. I wish I could tell you something different, but then again, you know what? I'm glad that at some point this comes out, because I would hate for parents to make decisions and for students to make decisions with that expectation and finding out that expectation is not actually true. So I'm glad that we've got to discuss that today. Now, I know that there are quite a few questions probably stemming from you all, so what happens if my child, decides to get their GED and go away to college early? Does that mean then that child support is done, or, you know, what happens if my child doesn't graduate before they turn 19 and so forth. All of those are great questions. There's a lot of myths, I know, and there's a lot of other questions that need to be answered, and a lot of them are specific to your case. So I would advise you to call an attorney to speak with and ask those questions. And if you don't have an immediate attorney on mind, you can always feel free to give us a call at 813-447-3001. Once again, it's 813-447-3001. Or you can even go to our website. It's lmknoxlaw.com. lmknoxlaw.com. In the meantime, in between time, we'll be seeing you. We hope that you are all things wonderful. And until we speak again, take care, y'all.